So we're all trying to live productive lives. We're all trying to be the next big thing. We're all trying to, live this lavish lifestyle. We're all trying to just be great. But you have to be productive in whatever you do. You have to have some type of system in place. You have to, have some type of organization. You have to have something. You have to have a plan. So me personally, I like to use my phone to help me be productive. And I have a lot of productivity apps on my phone. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot. And a good bit of them I don't even use. If you scroll through my apps, you probably just think I'm running an entire company from my phone. The apps I do use though are complete necessities. Like I definitely need them in my everyday life. Whether I'm trying to keep up work, content creation, or just simply my life, trying to make a grocery list, things to do on Sunday. You gotta have the right apps to be productive. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Rio here, and today we're gonna talk about the top productivity apps that I use on my phone daily. Whether it's to keep me organized, just focused, or whether I'm just making moves. Whether you're juggling school, work, or content creation, the right apps can help you go from chaotic to dialed in very easy. So I wanna go ahead and talk about the apps that I use every single day. Yeah, let's go ahead and talk about the apps. So I had to switch over to my Pocket 3 so I can have B camera, A camera, or A camera, B camera. I just want to have separate cameras so I can show y'all the screen because I don't have another camera besides the Pocket 3. So hopefully this works. Looks good for right now. Let me know in the comments if it's bad, if the audio quality is bad or whatever, it's not synced up. Let me know. But we're gonna jump right in to my productivity apps. So, okay, first productivity app that I use every single day, without a doubt, is probably Things 3. Not probably, it is Things 3. Things 3 is a task manager app. You can use it to keep up, like I said, with tasks, make lists, your goals. That's what I mainly use it for, honestly. As you can see today, I have a long list of things I gotta do. Wash clothes, gym, clean apartment. So we can probably, go ahead and do that right there. Wash clothes. I have not done that yet. Who is calling me? Oh, this boy Matt. Hold on. Sorry about that. We're back. So yeah, to-do list, what I need to do throughout the day. Like I said, just check one off. Misspell word. It happens sometimes. Misspell word. Right here, yeah, but shoot app video. That's what I'm doing right now. Productivity app video. But yeah, you can have different. You have inbox today, upcoming, anytime, someday. Logbook is just basically all the stuff that I've completed over the past. Inbox, I believe, up and coming or from reminders and things like that. Like I said, I use this app, but like not the way you're really supposed to, like crazy. Upcoming things, which syncs with your calendar, things to do like that. Anytime is basically, set it for any time you want to do it, in the future. And, shorts, things like that. But yeah, YouTube section, shorts, my Life of Rio vlogs, which I have not posted a vlog in a very long time. I don't know when I'm gonna post one, but I want to get good at the vlogs. My other videos, whenever I have an idea of a video, I just write it down right here. As you can see, very long list, need to get to it. Just been slacking with the videos, but we're getting back to it. I'm sorry. Tech career, 2025 goals, right here. Certifications, right here. The certification I plan on getting this year. This is what I use every day. Task manager app, reminders. It's a great app. Another app that I use, everybody uses it, Notion. Notion, basically a Wikipedia for your life. I'm telling you, you can have everything in Notion. I have a lot of work-related stuff in Notion for my job. As you see, work. I have a lot of stuff here. I don't want to really reveal where I work at, so I don't want to really go too deep into that. But yeah, keep a Wikipedia of my work stuff. YouTube, like I said, list of videos that I've done in the past for the scripts. We can click on one, for example. I also Pocket 3 after 1 month. Very, very, very intuitive. Like, I do not use the full features of Notion. I know for a fact I probably should try to do some research and try to use the full features of Notion. But for right now, it's fine. not really tripping on it. I suggest you guys use Notion for, you know, everything. Make notes, keep up with your daily, you know, tasks. Um, and just but it's more than just like a Wikipedia. It's really intuitive. You can do a lot in Notion. You're gonna do your own research on that. Like I said, I really only use it to script and like work related stuff. But for what I do, I'm a simple guy, not no crazy pro user. It's very intuitive for what I do, and it's enough for me. Um, Notion has, you know, AI that can help you do things and help you keep up with things as well. I don't use Notion AI. I use another, you know, AI that we're gonna get to very soon. Um, but yeah, Notion, highly recommend it. Great app. Um, if you're a beginner, please don't get overwhelmed because you can get overwhelmed with Notion because you can do a lot with this app. Like I said, I barely scratched the surface. So, but I just use it for note taking, and it is good. I enjoy it. It syncs across all my devices. It's compatible with Windows, and it's great. So yeah, go get Notion. Please download it. Notion, please sponsor me. Thank you. Another app that I use, I don't know if it's cheating or not, but it's not cheating because this is a productivity app. This app helps me get a lot done every single day. And I think what y'all are seeing on the screen, you can probably already guess which app. And that app is ChatGPT, man. ChatGPT is my app. I use it for everything. Questions, you know, help me with the scripts on my YouTube videos, help me with, you know, certain work items that I do at work. Like ChatGPT is just, it's great. So the other day I literally asked it, how can I afford a Porsche GT3 in 4 years? And it gave me a financial plan on how to afford it. Like all I had to do is like just ask it, and I just told it like what I do. Like I'm a content creator. I work in tech. This is what I want to do, and it just gave me a thought out plan on how to afford it in 4 years. That's ridiculous. Like nobody else is doing that. But yeah, I pay for a ChatGPT Plus, so I do got, you know, the paid version, $20 a month. Completely worth it in my opinion. But yeah, help me with cover letters, resumes. Like I have projects. So projects is basically folders for ChatGPT. I like it. Got a YouTube folder, 2025 goals, you know, work, Bible recap, Bible study, Scissor Plus, short form content, just everything, man. Like ChatGPT is just, it's great. ChatGPT, say hi to my video, man. I'm recording the productivity app video, so say hi.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Hope you're all doing great. Real here is going to show you how to boost your productivity, so stay tuned.
Like, come on, bro. Like ChatGPT is just, it's goated. It's whoever invented AI chatbots. Thank you. I mean, artificial intelligence has been around for so long, but yeah, ChatGPT worth every penny. Get ChatGPT Plus if you don't have it. So, an app that helps me stay focused is an app called Forest. And what Forest does, it basically it sets a timer and it locks your phones, locks the apps, so you won't be able to use them. And you know, during that time, you're with a timer, it tries to roast a tree. And if you go to the apps that you know that are locked, it kills the tree. So it's just like a little fun game to help you stay focused. So I use this heavily in college. Have I used it this year? I'm not gonna lie, I have not, because you know what? When I'm at work, I'm already focused. When I'm at home, you know, I'm focused. And I guess when I'm editing videos, I'm not really that focused, which I probably should use it when I'm editing videos so I can finish faster. But you know, sometimes you just gotta scroll on Twitter and TikTok. I'm sorry. But when I really want to dial in and get focused, oh my gosh, everybody and their mother is calling me. Forest, great app. Like I said, I haven't really used that much this year. But when I did use it, I mean, it was going to my forest this a year ago. I mean, 2025, I had one for it. I have one tree. 2024, I barely used it in 2024. Because like I said, I was locked in 2024. I really did not need it, but it's still a good app. I highly recommend it if you want to just, like I said, focus, dial in. 2023, needed it. Growing trees all the time. Total focus time, 30 hours though. 30 hours in a year is kind of crazy. 44. Like, I use this really on special occasions, but it is one of my favorite productivity apps. It's like a game. You can buy, extra trees or, plants and things like that if you want to. So yeah, they got a store where you can buy trees or other plants. I have bought some things with my coins before, but so yeah, if you want to stay focused on your work, please get Forest. Or if you're already this focused, hey, you're fine. Last two apps, they're very simple apps, but I use them every single day. The first app is the calendar. I mean, simple calendar, help to keep up people's birthdays, what I have planned on the weekends. I try my best to put it in my calendar. If I don't put it in my calendar, I'm probably going to forget. But most of the time, I don't really forget, honestly. So, but yeah, help me keep up with people's birthdays, and things like that. Like I said, call my mom today. That was in my calendar. And yeah, like it's a simple app. Like I like the calendar app. You can't beat Apple's calendar app. I mean, there probably are better calendars out there, probably Google Calendar. I do use Google Calendar for my photography business, but business is not booming, unfortunately. So I barely touch that. But this app right here, like I said, synced up with a lot of different calendars. Like I said, my shop by Rio, LSU at gmail.com. Hopefully you guys don't, spam me with stuff. Well, you could beat the calendar app, but this is just my simplistic way to keep up, with things, as far as like dates, because I don't really need anything too crazy. I'm not finna pay, for anything that's insane for the calendar app. So the email app that has been holding me down for so many years is Outlook. The Outlook app is a simple app that I enjoy using every single day. I have no problem with the Outlook app. I know people like to use a Gmail app or some other type of, crazy beefed up app, but the Outlook app, I have no complaints with it. It's very simple. I have no problem with it. I only have my actual Outlook email on this app, but because I actually have my Gmail stuff separate in the Gmail apps, because I do use the Gmail app. But the calendar app, no, not the calendar, the Outlook app, like I said, has held me down. I use it every single day. It's great. I have no problems or no issues with it. It's just a simple calendar app. Help me get my emails, help me get other things done, things like that. Okay, honorable mentions. Definitely, like I said, Gmail app. Help me. It's my other email app. I don't open it that much, but when I do, it's here. It's solid for me, and I have no problem with Gmail. Been using Gmail ever since I was like 7. Like I said, my email is legendary. If somebody asks to buy my name, I'm not telling you because it's that good. It's that good of a name. Another app that I use that I forgot about that I just thought of is probably Perplexity. Perplexity is a search engine AI, and I don't know if you noticed, but Google, the way they have their search engine now, it's just nothing but just ads. Like whoever pays the most is going to be at the top of the search list, and that's annoying. But Perplexity, like, it's just simple. Probably one of the best search engine apps out there. The paid for version, even though it does say pro, well, it doesn't say pro anymore. It did say, I know y'all saw when it said pro right there. It doesn't say pro anymore. But just a good search engine app. Like, I mean, when's Michael Jordan's birthday? Didn't this take us so long for a simple question? I'm sorry, I cannot type for shit. Like, oh my gosh. But yeah, see, when's Michael Jordan's birthday? Yeah, simple. February 17, 1963. Like, I mean, that's a simple question. I mean, you could ask it other things. What happened today with Southwest Airlines being on the news? Like, let's see here. See, simple as that. Southwest is tripping. So, yeah, we're not going to Southwest. We never did. We're going to Delta. Always Delta. But yeah, Perplexity is a good search engine app. I like it. You can't go wrong with Perplexity. If I don't feel like using ChatGPT, I use Perplexity. And another honorable mention is probably gonna be GoodNotes. GoodNotes, even though I'm not signed in on my phone, I don't know why GoodNotes is signed out of my phone, but yeah, GoodNotes. This is the note taking app that I use on my iPad, but sometimes I like to read the notes on my phone. Syncs across all my devices. It's a great app. I use GoodNotes. GoodNotes is probably my most used iPad app, honestly. But like I said, I like to look at the notes on my phone. So yeah, look at GoodNotes, things like that. When I want to take notes of everything, interviews, things like that, certifications. I have a lot of certification books and folders. Like it's a great app. I enjoy it. GoodNotes. You do have to pay for. I don't think you have to pay for the iPhone version. I think once you pay for it the first time, you have to. It just syncs through all your devices as a free download. Now things you have to pay for separately for each app. The iPhone, I think it was like maybe like $5. iPad was like 10. The MacBook app for things, it's $50, and I still bought it just so I can sync it across. And it's worth it in my opinion, but that's still kind of crazy. But yeah. So yeah, those are the honorable mentions right there. I probably have some more. Like I said, I have more productivity apps, but I just don't really have them here right now. I mean, they're here, but let's see what other productivity apps I might have. Yeah, I don't really use the other ones for real. Like I said, I have a lot of them. I just don't use them. But those are the apps that I mainly use on the daily. Things 3, Notion, ChatGPT, Forest, the calendar, and what's the last app that I use, man? Like, oh my gosh, I'm so freaking terrible at this. Outlook. Yes, Things 3, Notion, ChatGPT, Forest, Outlook, calendar. Those are the apps that I use every day. There's 6 apps, but those 6 apps have carried me a long way in what I do in my life. It has helped me pass certifications, get jobs, plan out content, and they just make my life a whole lot easier. And hopefully they can make your life a whole lot easier too as well. So leave a comment down below if you use these apps already, or if you have any other app recommendations for people to use. And please drop a like on the video too as well, and also hit the notification bell so you can get all my future video updates when I drop them. Hey, it's your boy Rio, guys. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Peace.